Hi, I'm Jared, and it's great to be here at Europe Fleet Days, a place where the latest solutions in the complex world of fleet are being discussed, and where there's a great deal of excitement about the potential of AI to help solve some of the long-standing challenges in this space. So where are we at with AI in the fleet industry? Is it the great savior for some of those historical roadblocks? And importantly, what needs to be done to maximize this amazing technology's potential? Well, can I start with a little word picture? We're here in Europe, where some of the fastest cars in the world are built, like the Formula One car produced by Ferrari. It's sleek, aerodynamic, designed for pure speed, a technological marvel. But imagine instead of placing that technology on a Formula One track, we drop that car onto a dirt road full of potholes instead. What happens? The car doesn't matter anymore. The power, the engineering, the potential are all wasted because the track simply isn't built for it. And that's the challenge facing a large part of the fleet industry today. We're talking about generational AI here, agentic systems, predictive maintenance, next level optimization. The technology really is astonishing, but many of the core systems and data infrastructure that fleets rely on from their suppliers are simply outdated. We've got Formula One power, but sitting on a dirt track. AI promises new levels of efficiency, but it collides with old bottlenecks. You can build the world's best machine learning model, but if the data it needs is only updated after a 20-minute phone call or a manual data entry process, the opportunity collapses. You're essentially created a digital genius and asked it to be a fax machine operator instead. Historically, our industry positioned the human as the data processor, but the future positions the human as the strategist. Our fleet people should be making high-value decisions, not chasing down low-value tasks. AI doesn't replace people, it frees them to work where their judgment matters the most. But for that to happen, the foundation, the road, must change first. And here's the key point. Laying that foundation down takes time. Untangling decades of legacy systems and creating clean data flows can be a challenge, but it's worth the investment, as deploying AI, once the foundation is ready, can really happen fast. And this is creating a widening gap between the AI prepared and the AI who are unprepared. Every month of delay doesn't just set you back a little, it risks putting you significantly behind in a race that accelerates every single day. The lesson is simple. If we want to unleash the full potential of AI in fleets, we need to stop focusing only on the car and instead ensure we're upgrading and rebuilding the track. The time to prepare the foundation is now, because the speed of AI won't wait for everyone.